What's up, YouTube? You're not tuned in the Rello World, and I thank you. I thought I'd pick up the camera and vlog today, because I got some I ordered off Amazon for the truck, and I think it's pretty neat, so thought I'd share it with you, put something on the channel, you know. Let me get to it. Yeah, I picked up this radio off Amazon. I think it's a 10.1 inch screen. It's an Android style radio. Going for the little Tesla style screen, whatever. But I think it looked pretty nice enough. So far, I kind of like it. You know, it was cheap. It was like, I want to say 160 something. So I was gonna do an install video, but I'm gonna be real with you. The thing is with this radio, man, it was a pain in the ass to put in, so I kind of changed my mind on the install video on that. But other than that, man, I've been playing with the radio and I kind of like it. It kind of surprised me. I thought it wasn't gonna sound all that great because it's a cheap radio, but so far it sounds pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You can stick a memory card in it and play videos, movies, whatever. You can hook it up to your phone. You can mirror with your phone, so it do anything that your phone do. And it actually works with Apple. I was surprised about that too, cause you know Apple don't play well with anybody. So yeah, it worked for Apple. And yeah, like I said, I was gonna do an install video, but it was a pain in the ass, man. See, what happened is with these newer radios, they kind of did away with the CD player, so it's kind of different to install them. And with this radio, being that it was a cheap radio, it ain't come with a lot of stuff, so I kind of had to put my brain together and figure out something to mount it. And I think I did pretty good. Yeah, if you not handy, don't buy this radio thinking you're gonna install it, cause it ain't come with nothing. I mean, it has some little books, but as far as install, it ain't have nothing about install. It ain't have nothing that I seen that was helpful. So yeah, if you buy this radio and you not handy, I don't recommend that you buy it. You know, if you buy it, get somebody to install it, cause it took some things to get it put in. Cause like I said, man, they did away with the CD players on the radios. So as far as mounting them, man, you don't have, like, this is the radio that came out of there. This is the radio that came out of there. As far as installing them, you don't have this big box down here, you know, that usually slides inside the cavity. It's pretty much just the screen and like this much of a box in the back, you know. And you gotta get all kind of brackets and stuff and try to make something work to get it in there. And with this radio, my dash it comes all the way off, so I had to put it onto the dash, because I couldn't put this in first and then put the dash, because you got this behind the dash, so I mean this behind the radio, so it wouldn't fit in there like that. So I had to do some things to it, and isn't great, you know. But yeah, man, I actually took out a Pioneer for a non-brand radio. Am I gonna regret it? I'm probably gonna end up putting this inside the Mustang. Well, I am gonna end up putting this inside the Mustang, because the Mustang really need a radio, man. I got a old radio in the Mustang, but it works great. It's a Sony and it sounds pretty good, so I ain't really was worried about it. But now I'm gonna put that Pioneer in there and see what it do, if it sounds better. Nah, I don't think it is gonna sound better, so I'll probably end up putting back in the Sony. That's why I wasn't really too worried about it. But I put this in here last night and been playing with it this morning. So far it's good, man. And let me let y'all check it out. See, yeah. As far as settings and all that, I don't know nothing about this, man. I'm still trying to figure out this radio. Like, I can't even get the time and the date right on it yet. I don't know. It connects to the internet. It's pretty much just like a tablet. So I think once I connect it to the internet and let it update, it'll probably update the time and the date and all that, because I don't see that on there. But it got Bluetooth, you got the USB, you know, I can go to Bluetooth and I can hit songs on there, you know, that's coming off my phone. Excuse my music choices, but I like to ride a little R&B now and then, but mostly, yeah, you got the Bluetooth, that's the USB. You come over here, you got apps. It's pretty much just like a tablet. Like, when I connect to the internet, which I think I am, I can go on YouTube. You know, I think I'm connected to the internet. Nah, no connection right now. So I gotta connect to the internet for that. But yeah, you got videos that you can plug in your USB, and whatever videos you got on your USB, you can put on there, you know, and they actually play. It played pretty good too, man. I like it so far. The sound on it, pretty good too, you know.
Hey, shit, man. What you talking about on the prices, man? I'm trying to do something like a 4, man. Something like a stop, man.
Shit, 42 right now, shit. You trying to do like that, shit, 42.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit, that's a bet all the way through.
All the way, G.
Shit, all the way at 100.
All the way, bro.
Alright, what's up? Shit, I'm going there and get that Ciroc joint, man. I'm going there and get the Ciroc joint.
Man, get a feel, man. Don't get that peach.
Yeah, once you get it up and running and you play with it, man, it's user friendly. But, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, no settings. I mean, no book on the settings and all that. So you gotta.
Oh man.
You kinda gotta
get that peach Ciroc joint.
figure it out yourself. But it got navigation, which runs off of the YouTube. I mean internet, Google Maps. So once I connect to my internet, which I can use my hotspot on my phone, so see right now I say connected. You know, right now it says connected. But it got, let's see what else it got. I say the love. Trying to get some music for you to, without getting Jasmine. Yes, I'm a missing you. Miss you. But yeah, man. So far, I like the radio. You know, it's pretty neat. It's what I was looking for. You know, the Tesla style radio, and it went good in the truck. So yeah, it was a good buy overall. You know what I'm saying? It sound better than I thought it was. It performed better than I thought it would be. I haven't hooked the subwoofers up to it yet, so that's really gonna determine what I think about it once I hook those up to it. Other than that, man, if you here just watching the video, you know, hit that subscribe button. If you browsing, help your boy out, get his channel up there. I just wanted to share with y'all the new radio I got. It's a good buy, you know. If you hand in like a challenge, go ahead and get you one, man. They're pretty nice. Other than that, man, this has been a real old world vlog, and I'm out. Peace.